The holiday season is here at last, and we've got a few tips for you to keep safe while you do your online shopping. First, make sure your device is safe by using security software and making sure it's up to date. Secondly, give yourself a browser that you only use for shopping. When you're ready to buy, just cut and paste the URL into your shopping-only browser. Before you enter any private financial details, check the URL and make sure you see HTTPS and that little lock in the browser. Holiday season floods your email box with offers and discounts. Remember to take a second look before you click on links in emails. Also, avoid shopping through a search engine and go straight to the retailer's app or website. Finally, always use a VPN when you're shopping on public Wi-Fi. This is just common sense. Happy, safe holiday shopping!